Hello everyone, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I'm going to explain how to install UFRaw application on Ubuntu 18.04. First of all, UFRaw stands for Unified Flying Raw. It's an open source tool used to read and manipulate the raw images from the digital cameras. It supports the color management workflow and it's enables the user to apply the ICC color profile. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to install UFRaw application on Ubuntu 18.04. Before we have to install the application, we need to update the system repository using this following command. Then hit enter. The system repository being updated now. After updating the system repository, we can install a UFRaw application using this following command. Then hit enter. The application is installing now. The installation is completed now. Now we have to open Ubuntu menu and then here we have to search UFRaw. The application is shown on the screen. Please click here to open. The application is open now and then here you can choose your file. Then you can proceed the manipulating your raw images from a digital cameras. These are all the installation process about how to install UFRaw application on Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel Linux Help. If you want further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.